now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
All right, Brian Sherman in for Kim Adams tonight. We're watching this weather system. It's a little daunting to see what's going on right now in Iowa. We're watching the storm chasing that's going on. And here, we're still in March, and for the upper Midwest, a little early for storm chasing.
No, yeah, especially as far north as northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin. I just was reading something before we came on here that there's likely an EF2, EF3 tornado on the ground heading to the north of Memphis this evening. This whole complex is going to give us some problems overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. For the minute, though, Exact Track 4D radar, a few rain showers north of Waterford as you head up toward Flint, as well as the pier this evening, and over toward Port Huron. But I'm keeping my eyes on the bigger picture out to the west here. The yellow are tornado watches, and severe thunderstorm warnings already showing up in northwestern and northern Indiana, crossing into southwestern Michigan to the southwest of Kalamazoo. And as we go through the rest of the evening, we could see our own potential for a few strong to severe thunderstorms late tonight and into the overnight as well. 56 right now here in Detroit, 55 over in Howe, 53 as you work into Pontiac, and 58 right now as you're checking in with us over in Adrian. What's causing the severe weather outbreak over the Midwest tonight? It's a very strong area of low pressure just to the north of Des Moines. Blizzard conditions over in portions of North Dakota, South Dakota, working into Nebraska this evening. All of these watches here over the central Midwest are what we call PDS tornado watches. PDS meaning particularly dangerous situation, as we have a rare double high risk for severe weather. 5 out of 5 on our severe weather scale day over portions of Iowa and northwestern Illinois, then also working down into Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and extreme southern portions of Tennessee. As that system rolls off to the east here at home, we could see a few stronger thunderstorms with a slight risk. 2 out of 5 on our severe weather scale in yellow from Ann Arbor working down toward Monroe. So Lenawee, Monroe counties working into southern Washtenaw County and extreme southwestern Wayne County now too, with the rest of the region in green under a marginal risk. That's 1 out of 5 on our severe weather scale. If we do see any severe thunderstorms tonight, winds would be the primary threat. We would see isolated damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour, and we're also going to keep an eye on the threat for some heavy rainfall late tonight and into the overnight hours as well. I think Clouds and Radar does a good job with this here, bringing one wave of rain in after 8 o'clock this evening, and then the second wave late tonight after midnight into the overnight. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. Oranges and reds on the radar, so gusty winds, heavy rain, definitely some lightning. As this cold front pulls off to the east, we'll hold on to some rain early tomorrow morning by 9 o'clock in the morning, but as colder air moves in, temperatures pretty much tank the entire day tomorrow. And with that colder air moving in, we change this over to a few snowflakes by 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon. We call this system done by late Saturday night, and by midnight, overnight, into early on Sunday morning, we break up the cloud cover with a much better second half of the weekend than the first. The winds will be a bigger story tomorrow as well. Gusty the entire day, sustained upwards of 20 to 25 miles an hour, gusting upwards of 35 to even 40 plus miles an hour for the first half of the day tomorrow. So anything outdoor, those trash cans, bring them inside, as these winds are going to pick up overnight tonight. Upper 50s most of the evening tonight. Thunderstorms coming into the picture after 8 to 9 o'clock tonight through the overnight into early tomorrow morning. That 54 tomorrow should be right around midnight, and temperatures fall into the 40s by the time we get to sunrise tomorrow morning, and 30s by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon. Better weather moves in for Sunday with more cloud cover on Monday, and then we're back into the 60s Monday and Tuesday, 70s on Wednesday with rain and a few more storms. And then opening day, all eyes on Thursday at Comerica Park, upper 40s, some sunshine. It will be breezy, but you were telling me we've seen worse for opening day before.
It is hard to miss that it's 70 degrees the day before opening day.
Oh, yeah. Could we just shift that over one day?
Yeah.
Birdie's next with a setback for the University of Michigan's basketball team.